Racing just is started. We have Going West. Break quickly at the start. Rushing up now at the outside is JetBlue. In the middle portion is Alta's Choice. Then next online is Be Fair. And then on the inside is enter number 2. And this one is Louis Alexa. In between horses is Dwin. Then next online is Major Credit. Charm Away, while Time to Change is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the deck, we have Going West, JetBlue alongside on the outside. 2 lengths further back in third comes Alta's Choice. Louis Alexa, Be Fair, Major Credit is done on the inside. Then next online is Time to Change, Dwin, while Charm Away now running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, still 2 entries keep on matching their strides together. Going West, JetBlue moving up now on the outside. By ahead, JetBlue now takes command. Going West is running by the rail, trying to get closer now in third. Is Time to Change, Be Fair in between horses. And as they swing for home, JetBlue, while the rider, Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse is still in hands and heels. This time, the Rose clear by about 4 lengths. And nearing the finish line, the program opener belongs to JetBlue. Second, number 1, Going West, Time to Change, Be Fair, and Major Credit.
Magaling nga.